Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making egg tofu. Without further ado, let's get started. First, take 100 grams of our pre-soaked soybeans and toss them into the blender with some water. Hit that power button and boom! We've got fresh soy milk. And those soybean pulps? Yeah, we're too fancy for those. Bye-bye. Watch this magic happen. Our soy milk is dancing away in the pot, bubbling up like it's having its own little party. Sprinkle in 3 grams of salt, give it a gentle stir, and just like that, we've got our perfectly seasoned soy milk base. Now for the fun part. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them up. Pour in an equal amount of our soy milk and mix them together. It's like orchestrating a beautiful marriage of flavors. Cover your bowl with plastic wrap, poke a few holes, and pop it in the steamer. In just 15 minutes, this baby is gonna transform into something incredible. Time for the grand finale. Peel off that plastic wrap. Drizzle on 10 milliliters of seafood soy sauce and shower it with chopped green onions and dried shrimp. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. It's silky, it's savory, it's absolutely perfect. Friends, you must try our egg tofu. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.